I think there's two real strategies to being happy and successful in life.
Mhm.
One is to find love in all the work that you're doing. The other is to only do work on the things that you love. But in the second scenario, you usually have to work very, very, very hard. The first scenario, oftentimes you don't have to work as hard because you're loving everything you do, which means you're more willing to do more things. In the second scenario, you're willing to do fewer things. In fact, you have a hard line: I will not do this, and I will do this, but I will do the things I will do endlessly hard. And those are typically, that's how I've found success. A lot of people that I meet, that's how they're finding success, is either they've honed in on one or two things and they work those things harder and get better at them than anyone else, or they really are able to do across the board everything and do it very well because they have an appreciation for work in general.